Okay. Yeah, I have a question about the co-design for Exascale. So you said somewhere, or the people said somewhere, that it's very important to have co-design. Could the panel please explain why? Because I think supercomputer designers should design the supercomputer, and co-designers should just do the applications. So why is that important?
Why do we need co-designers for Exascale, and is it possible that's inefficient, Michael?
As a matter of fact, our hardware just does not fit anymore our models. The models that we did were done in the 18th, 19th, early 20th century. The hardware has changed completely. John von Neumann did a great job when he was thinking about a very, very, very slow computer. And the people, Navier and Stokes, for example, did an excellent job 200, 250 years ago, something like that. But these things just don't fit together anymore. So no, the designers should not just go ahead and design the systems as to design it all the time, and the mathematicians should not go ahead and do their math as they did it for 200 years. There is a change. There is a complete change, and we have to adapt to this change, and we have to do something about it.
Well, I would say co-design as, I wouldn't say the norm, but there's been lots of derivatives co-design projects. Many of the Japanese supercomputers, except for K, you can argue it was co-design because there were certain application targets like the Earth simulator or the numerical wind tunnel grid and so forth. But having said that, as Michael said, what's different now? Because it's so hard as we push for Exascale and their derivatives. The parameters are so difficult to achieve that unless we design something really different, they're not achievable. So that means change in the architecture, change in the programming model, change in the algorithms, changing many things, which will of course be sustained to the next generation, but this is a one big change that's coming. And unless the hardware designers, software designers, application designers, they all come together, I don't think these goals will be approachable.
Anything on the vendor side on co-design?
So I think I'd like to say a slightly shorter version of the same thing that's been said already. We've learned over the years our lesson that having the HPC, software engineers and scientists work together delivers a better application overall in terms of performance. It's about time we learned the same lesson between software developers and hardware developers.
Jean-Marc.
Co-design is a fact for supercomputer vendors. If we just wait for having the Exascale systems ready for sharing with you the design, and we say you guys, hey, it's ready, you can use it. It takes 5–10 years before your applications are ready for the systems. Network. So clearly we share now the design of our systems with selected end users, for they can start thinking about how they should use it now in terms of development, for being ready on time. The system will be there.
My view on co-design for Exascale is there's no way any single vendor can absorb that much discount from the end user, so they got to spread that pain around.